Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. Well, today is the first day in our 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and boy, have I got a cool prize for you today. But before I get to this, the gingerbread man was having a little trouble with his knee. It was starting to get painful with all the work he was doing over the holidays. So he decided to visit the gingerbread doctor. And when he got there, he said, "Doc, my knee is starting to get really painful. Is there anything I can do about it?" And the doctor turned to him and said, "Well, have you tried icing it?" On the first day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new drone. That's right. It's a Holy Stone HS430 from our good friends at Holy Stone. Now, this is a small drone. It's a tiny drone. It's actually an adorable drone. Look how small that is. But it's also the perfect drone to fly indoors all winter when you can't get outside because the weather's really nasty, and you can keep your stick skills sharp all winter by flying this, and when spring comes, you can get outside and be a much better pilot. It's also the perfect drone to introduce your kids, your wife, your family, your friends, your neighbors, Uncle Frank, to the hobby of flying a drone, because even though it's a tiny drone, it flies like a big drone, so they're going to really enjoy flying this thing around your house. Now, I promise you, when you're flying it, it's going to try and run into something that your wife really, really loves. So there are prop guards inside. Put those on there. But honestly, it's light enough that if you ran at full speed into a lamp, it's not going to really do much. I wouldn't take it outside in a really stiff breeze, though, because even though it flies really well in the house, if you take this outside on a windy day, it's going to take off and head for the hills. And that's going to be the last you see of it. But fly it in the house. Have a lot of fun. It'll fly again for 11 minutes on a fully charged battery. There are 2 batteries in the kit, so you can charge one when you're flying with the other one. It also records 1080p footage. Just imagine the fun you can have with that. Now, the contest couldn't be simpler. Below in the comments, you'll find a link. If you click that link, it'll ask for your email and your username on YouTube, and I only need that so I can get a hold of you if you win the contest. Now, if you enter the contest, what we'll do after 7 days is we'll gather up all the emails that came in. We're going to pick a winner at random, and I'm going to send you an email saying, "Hey, good news, you won the drone. Send me your address." And then we put this in a box and we ship it to you. Now, I don't care where in the world you live. I make this joke every year. You could live in Bat Cave, North Carolina. Yep, it's a real place. And I'm thinking to myself, there must be a bat cave there, but is there a bat cave there? Might be kind of a cool place to check out. Anyway, Bat Cave, North Carolina, I hope you win the contest because I'd love to ship it to you, but anywhere in the world. And I don't charge for shipping. We don't have any strings attached. There's no shenanigans. I just want to give the drone away. And if you win it, nothing makes me happier than putting it in a box and sending it off to you. Maybe you send me an email and say, "Hey, we're flying the drone in the house. We're having a lot of fun." So that's a good thing for everybody. Anyway, enter the contest. But I promise you, if you send me your email through that form, we're not going to keep them. We shred all those. There's no reason for us to keep them. I'm not going to be spamming you all year with different things that are going on. So enter the contest. Have a lot of fun. Now, I have to tell you, this is the first day out of 12. I have 11 more of these coming, and boy, have we got some cool prizes coming. I can't even tell you about them. I'm so excited. So you have to enter every day, and I know it seems like a hassle, but it's because I can't possibly keep track of all the emails that are coming in. So one day there's a group of emails, I'll pull a winner out. The next day there's another group of emails. So make sure you enter every day, and that way you got a good shot at winning something. And boy, oh boy, I'm telling you, every year, I just get so excited when it's a 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas because I love giving stuff back to the community. You guys have been so supportive of the channel, and we get a lot of things from manufacturers. A lot of times they'll send them and say, "Hey, give those away in your 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas," and I get to be Santa for all 12 days, which is wonderful. Anyway, enter the contest. This is a great little drone. You're going to have a lot of fun with it, and please stay tuned to the channel because the next 11 are going to be absolutely amazing. We've got a wide variety of things we're giving away this year, and they're all free. So come back, check out what's happening tomorrow. But today, the minute you finish this video, get down there and enter the contest because we want a lot of entrants so we can send this off and make somebody really happy for the holidays. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, happy flying.